to the agency level, and in the agency level go to the level of marketplace, search the front app and install it. Now if you wanna install it on all the locations, then install on the agency. Otherwise, if you install in particular location, then it will be show there. So in our case, we are going to install on the all the locations. So here I proceed. So there it will take some time to install the app. So after installation done, this message will show. So now go to the location level. There will be a custom page like this. All the installed apps will be shown there. So here search front and configure it. So this is the configuration. We need a API key for it. So first of all, we need an account on front. Here I already created the account. So let me show how we can find out the API key from it. So first of all, we go to setting, and here like there is a developer option. Click on this. So here is API token. So this is already created, so I will create a new one. So let's this. So make sure you selected all the scopes like this. So I created. So when it will be created, then copy it, and after this paste there, and then submit. So after you submit the app, so then close it, and after this you can use this app in automation like in the workflow builder. So create a workflow and use the application. Thank you.